Hi everyone, today's video is a redesign on one of my clients. She did bring me in a photo, but I don't know who the original artist is, so if anyone does know or recognise them, please do let me know so that I can tag them and say thank you for the inspiration. So I'm just using my Efile now and an extra coarse safety bit to file down the previous design to the thin clear layer that I'd put down. Now I'm prepping the natural nail growth, starting with pushing back the cuticles. Now I'm going around the cuticle area with my Cuticle Clean Efile bit. And now just refining that shape a little bit before I start my acrylic application. I went out of shot for quite a lot of that, that's why I only recorded the little finger. And now I'm just nipping away any dead excess cuticle that's left over, hanging over the nail, just to tidy that up. Now I'm just gently tickling over the natural nail growth with a medium grit sanding band on a really low speed, just to etch that nail plate and make the acrylic stick nice. I'm just adding some small beads of my negligee acrylic to the growth area to fill in the gap. I want to keep this nice and thin because I'm working on top, and then this still maintains that clear layer that I can file back down to if we just want to redesign rather than soak off. So on this hand I actually forgot to record me adding the white tip, and then I went out of shot when I was recording the rest of the pink. So I've just included me doing it on the index finger here and the thumb, me creating that ombre, but I did leave me adding the white on the next hand just so that you can see how I put my white on before my pink. And then once I've done all the ombre, I'll then go in with my negligee, which is a clear pink, and that's what I like to cap my pink and white ombres in. It just seems to make them look a lot nicer than just using plain old clear. The acrylic line that I use is from Diamond Nail Supplies, and I do have a discount code if you want to check them out. It's Emma10, you get 10% off your orders. So now we're on to the finished filing, and first of all I'm just going to use my hand file to tidy up those side walls and free edges. Now I'm just quickly whipping it over with my Efile. This is a medium grit carbide that I'm using just to debulk the nails a little bit. And now I'm just coming over with my hand file again to finish off. So first I go around the cuticle area to make sure that that's nice and flush, and then I go over the body of the nail and then make sure that that all blends in nicely, making sure that I'm keeping my apex in place because you don't want to ruin the structure that you've built. And then I go over with a white block to take out any scratches, and I'm just showing you on the thumbnail me removing my client's natural nail growth from underneath the nail because some people do not like that. I know that I'm one of them. And I do apologise that my camera went out of focus on this part of the video where I'm adding my crystals, but I thought I'd leave it in just so that you could get the gist of the type of design that I was doing. So I'm adding Swarovski crystals here, and then around the edges of those I'm adding some little tiny gold micro bead type things. This is the middle finger on my client's other hand, doing a similar sort of design with the Swarovski crystals. However, this one we're going vertical down the nail, and I'm again going to add those little gold micro beads down the edges as well. Now I'm going to start on the marble nails. I'm using the Eclair Beauty marble tints. I picked these up from the Professional Beauty Show and said I'd do a tutorial on them. So I'll just talk you quickly through what I'm doing. So I've added the base coat and cured it for 30 seconds and then cleansed it. And it brings it to like a matte finish. And then you just want to dab like a little bit of your inks on, let them to dry for a couple of seconds. And then you want to go in with a brush, a small nail art brush with some alcohol, and just kind of dab it next to and like push against that ink to kind of get the desired look that you want. And then just to add a little bit more prettiness to them, I went in with Vegas from the gel bottle and just added a little bit of that to the marble lines. And now I'm just adding my top coat, which is the tack-free top shine from Diamond Nail Supplies, and I'm just making sure that I don't go over my crystals, but really make sure that I butt that top coat up around them just to really make sure that they're sealed in there nicely. that's the set done. I'm just adding my cuticle oil, and I've left you a little video clip of the finished set. So if you liked this video, please like, subscribe, share, and comment me any questions that you might have. Also make sure you're following me on Instagram. That's my handle there. It's Dream Nails by MC. And yeah, I'll see you in another video soon. Bye.